The most important question several times a safety practitioner or a safety supervisor, they have to answer these questions during interview, during safety examinations, or during any of the safety assessments. How many classes or types of fire? There are five classes: class A, class B, class C, class D, class F, and the electrical fire. What include in class A? Free burning materials, paper, wood, plastics, etc. In the class B, flammable liquids, for example, petrol, diesel, solvents, etc. In the class C, flammable gases, methane, hydrogen, etc. In the class D, metals, potassium, sodium, magnesium, etc. Class F, cooking fats or oils. And electricity can be involved in any class of fire. You need to understand the different classes. And once you know the classes of fire, then what you need to know further, which fire extinguisher is the best agent to extinguish this type of fire, which is useful for class B and which one is suitable for class D. Very important question. How many types of fire extinguishers? Today, I'll give you an introduction with old and new fire extinguisher difference. Fire extinguisher type water. Its body is red, suitable for use on class A fires, wood and paper, etc. Means solid fire. Not suitable for combustible liquids, cooking fats, etc. Not safe to use on fire involving electricity. Remember, you can be electrocuted if you use water type fire extinguishers on live electrical components or lines. How it works: water type fire extinguisher extinguished by cooling. Fire extinguisher foam type, creamy body, old type, or red body with cream label. This is the new style. It is suitable for class A and B fires. It is not suitable for the use on fires involving electricity. Foam type fire extinguisher affect the fire by cooling and sealing the surface of a burning liquid. Fire extinguisher dry chemical or powder type. Blue body, old type, or red body with blue label. This is the new shape. Bust on class B fires, but safe to use on any type of fire. Works by chemically interfering with the combustion reaction. Fire extinguisher carbon dioxide CO2, black body old type or red body with black label new type. Bust on class B and C fires, but safe to use on any type of fire. Safe to use on fires involving electricity. It extinguishes the fire by reducing oxygen levels and cooling. Another fire extinguisher agent is fire blanket. Any color body are labeled, but they are usually red or white. It can be used on any type of fire, but best on small contained class B fires and people on fire. It extinguishes the fire by asphyxiating.